15t. Then, so t cube comes. It is a cubic polynomial. It is a cubic polynomial, isn't it? So cubic polynomial has how many zeros you will get? 3 zeros you will get, isn't it? Then, listen, step number 1, zeros we need to find. Step number 1, zeros. So zeros, how do you find? So zeros. So how do you find the zeros? First of all, we take this equation, it is equal to 0. It is equal to 0. Okay. Then t cube minus 2t squared minus 15t, it is equal to 0. Then you know that t has all the terms, isn't it? Each term has t. Then t is you can take out of common. So how can you take out common? If you take out common t, then what are the remainder? First term, what is the remainder?
1 cube.
T squared is remainder, isn't it? Then minus 2,
T.
here t power 1. 1 is remainder because already you taken t. Then minus 15 only, you will get 0. Then 1 minus t is equal to 0. 1 0 is t value has 0. Then remainder is, it is a quadratic polynomial. We need to factorize them. We need to factorize them. So what is the first number is 1 is there. Then 1 into minus 15. You will get minus 15. So what are the factors? 5 3s are, yeah. 5 3s are 15. So we need minus here. Here what is here? Minus 2 is there. Here is what is that? Minus 2 is there. So if you add or subtract these factors, you will get minus 2. So how can you get minus 2? Big number has minus. Because here also minus, here also minus means big number has minus. Now you can check this, which is correct or not. Plus into minus, minus. 5 3s are 50. Then minus 5 plus 3. What is the answer? Minus 5 plus 3 is, you will get minus 2. So we choose these factors. Understood? Okay. Next, listen. Now, so t square before what is this? 1 is there. So you can divide by 1, you can divide by 1. So you can divide any numbers. If you divide by 1, you will get a same. Isn't it? You will get same. Then you can substitute. What is the t value? T is equal to minus 5 comes with, how can you write as t value? Malayalasan. T value எப்படி எழுதுறா? இந்த ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் வந்து t value எப்படி எழுதுறா?
minus 5 plus 5 plus 5
plus 5, very good. T is equal to plus 5 and then
minus 3.
yeah, minus 3, very good. Clap for you. Clap. Okay, good. Sit. Now, how many zeros we have? 3 zeros, isn't it? So we need to use 3. So 3 0 it comes mean. Then how do you find sum of the zeros? Karnya. Yeah, alpha plus beta plus gamma, isn't it? So we can take let alpha is equal to 0, then beta is equal to 5 and gamma is equal to minus 3. So we can use these zeros. We need to find sum of the zeros and sum of the product of the zeros. Next, product of the zeros. 3 kinds of zeros we must use. Okay, the first one is sum. Sum means what is that? Zeros is equal to coefficients. So we need to take, so alpha 0, sum of the zeros, what is that? Alpha plus beta plus gamma, it is equal to, what is the formula? Minus b by a. So we need to write what is a, what is the value of a, what is the value of b. So take where you want to take. Here, no need to take here. Understood? Understood or not? So you must be use it here. What is that? Sorry, no need. So okay. Listen, no need to take this. Always A value, B value, C value, always you take from the first equation. Given the questions. Given from the questions. You can take A value, B value, C value, D value. So A value is what is that? T cube before what it is there. No need to take this here. Always you take from the question. What is given from the equation. So T cube value is what is that? 1. Isn't it? Coefficient of T cube is 1. And B, what is B value? -2. And C values, what is C value? -15. And what is D value? D value is, what is a D? D is a constant term. Constant term is there? No. So what are the terms? The T cube term is there, T square term is there, T term is there. But constant term is not given. Then let us take what is that? D value is 0. D value is 0. Now we can substitute here. Alpha value is what is that? 0 plus beta value is alpha plus beta plus gamma. 0 plus 5 minus 3 is equal to, then minus, what is B value? -2. You can substitute here. Then what is here value? 1. Isn't it? So 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, what is that? Ernest, tell me 5 minus 3.
2, sir.
2. So minus
Plus.
2. So minus 25. Hence
Verify.
35. Okay? That's all.
Yes, sir.
So next sum of the, next to what is that? What we need to
Product of.
let problem. So next step number 2. Sorry, sir. So sum of the zero is step number 1. Sorry, zeros only step number 1. Step number 2 is what is that? Sum of the zeros. We verify. Sum of step number 3. Sum and the product of the zeros. Sum and the product of zeros. Sum and the product of zeros. What is that? Zeros is equal to coefficients. So sum and the product of the zeros mean what is that? Alpha, beta plus beta, gamma plus gamma, alpha. Very simple. What is the, how can you design this? Alpha, beta, gamma, isn't it? So alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha. That's all. This is equal to, what is that?
C by-
Coefficient. C by A. Then alpha value is, what is that alpha value? 0 into beta values. Beta value is what?
5.
So 5 into gamma value is -3 plus gamma value is -3, alpha value is 0. This is equal to, what is C value? -15 divided by A value is 1. So this term becomes 0 and this term also becomes 0. So what is remainder? 5 into -3. 5 into -3 -15, it is equal to -15. So can verify. Hence verify. That's all. And next, so step number 4. So final one, what is the product of zeros? Product. So zeros is equal to coefficients. So zeros, product of zeros, what is that? Alpha into beta into gamma. This is equal to D by A. So alpha value is, what is that? 0. So 0 into beta value is 5. Gamma value is -3. This is equal to 0 by 1. So tell me, Malera sir. What is the answer of this?
Sir.
What is the answer you will get?
15.
15.
15.
Deepak.
0, sir.
0. How do you get 0? How do you get 0?
Sir, 0 is not multiple with any number. Get 0 only.
Any numbers multiplied by 0, you will get 0 only. How do you get 15? ஏன்டா 0 வால எந்த நம்பர் மல்டிபிள் பண்ணாலும் 0 தான் கிடைக்கும். புரியுதா? So 0. You tell me this 0 divided by 1. சாப்பிட்டியா இல்லையா? சொல்லு.
1.
1. 0
0.
divided by 1 is 0. 0 divided by 1 is 0. Hence nil patch. That's all. Thank you.